Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Vision classes. It's a classes for IGCSE, GCSE and AS and A level around the globe. So today we have to discuss one of the basic, these are the basic questions from the paper 4 extended October, November 2024. So without wasting our time, let's jump on to the paper questions. Before we jump onto these questions, our regular batches and classes are going on. Suppose if you want to connect with us, I have left the contact in the description box. Fine. So here you have first question, that's a part. Here write 70 as a product of prime factors. So prime factors means you have to write in terms of prime numbers. So I hope you might be knowing how to find out the prime numbers. If you don't know, then just you have to start from 2 3 5 7 11 13 then 17 19 and so on. These numbers you have to use to factorize any number. Okay, that's a universal maths rule. Fine. So here you can use firstly 2, then you will get 35, then you can use 5, right? So 5 times 7, it's 35. So it's again 7 times 1 is 7. So you can write as a prime factors, that is 2 times 5 times 7 as a 70, right? Then highest common factor of 70 and 112. So firstly here you can write these numbers in terms of column, right? 70 and 112. Can we divide these two number by 2 firstly? Yes, we can. So here 2 times 35 is 70, right? And then 2 times 5, 2 times 6 is 56. 56 times 2 is 112, right? Then nextly, can we divide these two number by 2? No. 3? No. 5, we can divide this 35 by 5, not a 56, so we can use 7. 7 times 5 is 35, right? And 7 times 8 is 56, right? That's it, right? So here we will get the HCF. HCF is equal to 2 times 7, that is 14, isn't it? That's interesting. Then nextly, lowest common multiple, LCM, of 70x to the power of 4, y to the power of 2, and 112 x cube y to the power of 5, right? And here this is LCM, right? So both the number, whatever LCM we will get, we can divide that number by these two given expressions, isn't it? So here first of all we can find it out, LCM of 170 and 112 we have here already found out. Okay, so we can use this 1. So 2 times 7 times 5 times 8. All right, so that's it. It's a LCM. LCM is 560. Now here what's a x to the highest power? 4 we have. We can take x to the highest power 4 and y to the highest power is 5. That's it. So 560 x to the power of 4 y to the power of 5. That's a LCM of 70x to the power of 4 and y to the power of 2. Fine. So R means I have explained even other videos as well how to find out this LCM, HCF of algebraic expressions. So if you are not aware of these things, then go back, revise your concepts and again come back here to understand these concepts. Fine. Then nextly B. Here B part is you have a to the power of 12 divided by a to the power of 4. So it's a simply a to the power of m over a to the power of n, that is a to the power of m minus n. So here you can write as a to the power of 12 minus 4, which is a to the power of 8. That's the answer. Isn't it interesting? You have to simplify. This is kind of means the algebraic fraction question. So 5 times 4 is 20, isn't it? Then 1b get cancelled out. So you left with c over 2 times 4. So answer is c over 8. Fine, that's the answer. Then nextly you have here 4 plus 2x is equal to 15. You have to find out x value. So you can transfer 4 to the right hand side. Whatever positive on the left hand side, if you transfer it to the right hand side, it will be positive. So 2x is equal to 15 minus 4 and x is equal to 15 minus 4 is 11 divided by 2. Fine. And you can write in terms of mixed fraction, that is 5 times 2 is 10, 1 by 2 means 5 whole 1 by 2 we can write as a answer for x value. Then nextly D question, you have to again here solve for x value. Alright, so transfer this 5 to the right hand side. This is division. If you take it to the right hand side, it will multiply. So it's a 34 plus 2x is equal to 5 times 4 minus x. Right, then expand in the bracket. So 34 plus 2x is equal to 5 times 4 is 20 minus 5x. Then 5x transfer it to the left hand side and 34 to the right. So 2x plus 5x is equal to 20 minus 34. So 7x is equal to negative 14 and your x is equal to negative 14 over 7. So 7 times 2 is 14. So x we got negative 2 as a final answer, and this is 3-mark question. You can see here this is 3-mark question and you have to write this step by step answer. Unless you write these steps you will not get the even out of out marks as well. Alright, then nextly you have a E question, that is P is equal to D plus cube root of m square, right? So here see, you have to substitute this D is equal to 7 plus cube root of negative 8 square, because m square we have to take, right? Now 7 plus it's a cube root of 64, isn't it? Then 7 plus cube root of 64 is 4 and we will get the p value as a 11. That's answer. That's it. Isn't it easy? Now next part is actually you have to make m as a subject. Fine. So here you have to understand the basic rules of rearranging the formula. You have a many questions are there for IGCSE core and extended students. So here p is equal to d plus cube root of m square. Now firstly transfer the d to the left, p minus d. Then you have a cube root for m square. Then take the cube on the both side so that this cube root get cancelled out. Fine. Then it's a p minus d bracket cube is equal to m square. Now you have to transfer this square to the left hand side. You have to take the square root. So it's a square root of p minus d bracket cube is equal to m, isn't it? So if you write it like this step by step answer, then and then you will get the 3 marks. Okay, this is 3-mark question by the way. So here m is equal to square root of p minus d bracket cube. Fine. Yeah, I hope you understood this step by step answer, how to write this one. Suppose if you write it like this, you will get out as well. Regular classes and batches are going on. Suppose if you want to continue with us, I have left the contact in the description box. And even if you want video on any topic, just comment in the comment box. That's it. Enjoy the math.